Good morning, one and all. I am Mrs. Miruke A.L., teaching an assistant professor in English. About my qualification, I have completed my MA from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, with entire English with distinction. Also, I have completed my B.Ed from the same university and in AGM College, Karad, which is the foundation of Prayat Shikshan Sanstha. I am teaching in this college. So friends, my subject is office management and communication. Also for the BCS first year students, I am teaching English for communication. So what I am going to deliver in today's lecture, my topic is nature and its communication. Nature and its communication. So what we are going to study in the nature and its communication. Friends, we are living in the 21st era. In this globalized world, everyone is running behind this competition. Everyone is running behind the success. Each and every student is feeling that I want to achieve something. I want to fulfill my goals and objectives. So in this competitive era, if we want to achieve the success, as we know, APJ Kalam's autobiographical novel, The Wings of Fire. I think all of you may be studied or all of you may be read this novel. What Kalam is depicting the picture in that novel, which is ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवेल किंवा ज्याला आपण आत्मचरित्र असं म्हणतो की ज्याच्यामध्ये कलामने आपल्याला असं सांगितलेलं आहे की इफ वी वॉन्ट टू अचीव सक्सेस so we have to achieve the mighty three forces. One is desire, second is belief, and third one is expectation. Then and then only we can achieve the success. Also he says in that novel, with faith you can change your destiny. In the same manner, we are going to learn in this today's era, that is the world is globalized and that is the nature of communication. Do you know the word communication? Why it is going to be used? Why today we are giving the importance, that is the word. Let us see the background of this communication. The word communication has been derived from the Latin word communis. Now see the spelling. The word is communis. In Latin it is known as communis. Communis means what? Communis means common people. It means sharing of thought or intelligence. So, if we want to communicate with each other, if we want to speak with each other, as we speak number of languages, but we know three languages which are very essential in our daily routine, in our life. As we know, Marathi is our mother tongue, so we can speak fluently. Hindi is our national language, we speak it also. But there are some of the students who are facing the problem of this communication. If they want to go abroad, they are lacking behind in this communication. So English is our international language. So for the BCS first year students, this topic is related, that is the nature and its communication. What is the nature of communication? That is, the communication is a lifeblood of business. No business can be performed without communication. So the background of in this background of communication, everyone is hungry for the knowledge, everyone is thirsty for the knowledge, and so to fulfill the hunger, to fulfill the knowledge, it is very essential that we have to adopt the English communication. So in this communication, what we are going to be studying, there are 6 types of communication. In this communication, there are 6 types of communication, and with the help of these 6 types of communication, that is our whole channel is spread. For example, on the basis of expression, communication is divided into 2 parts. One is known as oral communication and second is known as written communication. Now see, on the basis of expression, now these students are very professional students. So for these professional students, this communication is very important. If they want to run in the society, if they want to be allocated in this community, if they want to run in the business, they want to establish their business in the organization, in the institution. Therefore, this type of communication is very important. As we know, as we know, every coin has two sides. One is positive and other is negative. In the same manner, in such a way, on the basis of expression in the organization, there are two types. One is known as oral and second is known as the written communication. But for this oral, it is also very important. What are the merits? Let us see what are the merits and demerits of oral communication. But as I told you, one is two sides are every coins की ज्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक नाण्याला दोन बाजू असतात. पहिली असते ती पॉझिटिव्ह, दुसरी असते ती निगेटिव्ह, की ज्याच्यामध्ये ओरल कम्युनिकेशन हॅज ऑल्सो सम ऑफ द मेरिट्स as well as demerits. For example, in oral communication, then in business organization, in business transaction, this communication, let us see the merits of oral communication. In merits of oral communication in business organization, this communication is very important. If boss wanted to communicate with his superiors, if boss wanted to communicate with his employees, at that time this communication is very necessary. Within a fraction of second, that is the person can be speak with that in front of that person, or he can send or he can receive the messages that is in this oral communication. And therefore in this therefore in oral communication, person can easily transmit the messages. So what is the definition of the communication? According to Peter Little, the definition of communication, he says that communication is the process in which our ideas, thoughts, feelings, emotions, now see, our ideas, feelings, emotions, thoughts, facts, opinions are transferred from one person to another person. So in this oral communication also, overall, that is my role is here, speaker, and you are receiver, or my role is here sender and you are the audience. So for example, boss want to tell some of the things, that is the boss is speaker here and we are the audience or we are the receiver. So within a fraction of second, that is we can communicate with each other. So what definition tells of the communication? That is communication is a bridge of meaning, that is on that bridge that is person can easily pass from one side to another side. So this oral communication is very essential, either maybe for the group discussion, maybe for the seminar, maybe for the oral presentation, maybe for the project communication. So it is very important, but it has some of the demerits also. So what are the demerits of oral communication? It is, this process is too much consuming, that is it takes lot of time. Then also third demerit of this oral communication, person cannot easily understand what actually he is speaking with us. So the role of the sender and receiver is very essential, but it also does affect some of the drawbacks in oral communication. So it is known as the temporary communication. म्हणून या ओरल कम्युनिकेशनला टेम्पररी कम्युनिकेशन म्हणून कन्सिडर केलं जातं. नाउ सेकंड टाइप इज दॅट इज नोन एज द रिटन कम्युनिकेशन. Written communication is very important because it creates legal validities, it creates the proof, then also in written format, that is our pamphlets, then also newspapers, then also mails, it can be sent because of this written communication. So written communication is known as permanent communication. अशा या रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशनला परमनंट कम्युनिकेशन म्हणून कन्सिडर केले जातं. सो इट हॅज ऑल्सो सम बेनिफिट्स ॲज वेल ॲज सम ड्रॉबॅक्स. Because of written communication, what are the benefits? That is in the organization, if the boss or the employee wants to tell some of his complaints, some of his grievances, he can present it in the form of written communication with the help of complaint boxes. For example, in industry, workers want to do the strike, they can create the notices, they can prepare the agenda and they write it in the letter form and present it towards his boss. It also becomes the benefit for the workers, so that result or impact become that की कंपनीचा बॉस त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना त्यांचे असणारे प्रॉब्लेम्स, त्यांचे असणारे ग्रीवन्सेस हे कन्सिडर करतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल पे स्केल असेल, त्यांच्या काही फॅसिलिटीज असतील, फॉर एक्झाम्पल सबसिडी असेल, पॉलिसीज असतील, इफ ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी प्रोव्हाइडेड टू देअर एम्प्लॉईज और द वर्कर्स, ही कॅन प्रोव्हाइड इट. सो रिटन कम्युनिकेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट अँड देअरफॉर इट इज नोन ॲज द टेम्पररी कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, थँक यू.